I want to talk about paint protection film for a BMW here at our San Diego shop at Ceramic Pro San Diego. Actually, what we're doing right now for this paint protection film and clear bra install on this BMW here in the San Diego shop, this car actually came from a San Diego suburb, BMW of Murrieta, and we do a ton of new BMWs here at the Ceramic Pro San Diego shop with paint protection film and clear bra because the roads here are tough. But what I wanted to point out here is actually what Rob is doing right now. Rob was actually just going through the car and he's taking pictures of everything to look for any pre-existing damage, and we put that into our shop management software and send that over to you before we begin the project. He's taking pictures, all of those will be sent over to you ahead of time so that you feel comfortable and know that if there is any pre-existing damage, like this one here actually has just like a little bit of chips right there, right? Those will be brought to your attention before we begin the job and offer to repair them, that your paint protection film and your clear bra installs that you get done here at Ceramic Pro San Diego will be the best communication possible with you, but have the best possible outcome. While this car is pre-owned, certified pre-owned, it does have a little bit of pre-existing damage. What you want to do is have paint protection film applied to your BMW before there gets any damage, or in this case, before there gets any more damage, because we all know these cars are driver's cars and people like to drive them spiritedly, but if you want your BMW to stay looking new, be protected, clear bra, paint protection film is the best option when owning one of these cars, any BMW or any other car out on the roads in San Diego. We're going to take a lot of time and effort to make sure that the install is beautiful and perfect on this. Even something like this here, we remove the badge to make sure that we'll be able to get a seamless install here so you won't see any edges of the film, and we also tape it off and everything so that we can remove that and not causing any damage. Lots of precautions, lots of communication, top-notch service here at Ceramic Pro San Diego for your clear bra installs on BMWs. Thanks for watching.